Hi everyone, my name is Nsisong Apanudo, and this is my analytical report on generative AI in the technology industry. This presentation analyzes the rise of generative AI in technology industry. It examines its growth impacts on businesses and key findings, and also provides recommendations for stakeholders. Introduction. Generative AI is one of the most important technological trends shaping the modern world. It refers to artificial intelligence systems that can create content such as text, images, and even software code. It's projected to add up to 4.4 trillion in economic value across industries. This slide shows how generative AI works. How it takes inputs like text prompts or image data, processes it through a foundation model trained on large data sets, and produces output like generated text, images, and software codes. Background. Generative AI developed from advances in machine learning, especially neural networks and deep learning. Over time, AI evolved from rule-based systems to machine learning, then deep learning, and now generative AI. By 2022, tools like ChatGPT marked a major shift, enabling AI to create new content such as text and images. Data and growth trends. Generative AI is experiencing rapid global growth. The market is projected to increase from about $67 billion in 2025 to nearly $890 billion by 2032. With a strong growth rate of over 40% annually, this growth is driven by increased adoption, major investment, and rising demand for AI solutions across industries. It is also expected to contribute up to $4.4 trillion in economic value. Analysis and key insights. Generative AI adoption is growing quickly with 60% of enterprises already using it. Technology leads followed by healthcare and finance, while it also boosts productivity and innovation. It raises concerns about jobs, ethics, and data privacy. The implications. The rise of generative AI has implications across industries. It is transforming how businesses operate by improving efficiency and automation, and also there is an increasing demand for AI-related skills, which is reshaping the workforce and creating new job roles. At the same time, businesses are able to enhance customer experience through more personalized and intelligent services. However, these advancements also highlight the need for regulations and ethical guidelines to ensure responsible use of AI. The SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis highlights the key strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats, and of generative AI. Its strengths include improving productivity and enabling content generation at scale. However, weaknesses such as bias, inaccuracies, and data privacy concern remain significant challenges. There are strong opportunities for growth through new businesses, models, and increased automation. At the same time, threats such as regulatory challenges, ethical issues, and job displacement must be carefully managed. Recommendations for businesses. Businesses should invest in AI technologies and integrate them into their operations to improve efficiency and remain competitive. It is also important to train employees in AI-related skills to adapt to changing job requirements. Additionally, organizations should implement ethical AI practices and continuously monitor performances and risks to ensure responsible use. Recommendation for policy makers and consumers. Policymakers play a key role in ensuring that AI is used responsibly by developing clear regulations and protecting user data. They should also promote ethical standards in AI development. And for consumers, it is important to build digital literacy, stay aware of risks such as misinformation, and use AI tools responsibly. Arguments and justifications. This analysis stands on solid ground as it is based on credible sources such as McKinsey, Gartner, PricewaterhouseCoopers, Stanford, and OECD. It incorporates recent market data from 2025 to 2026 and relates and reflects trends across businesses, policies, and consumer domains. This analysis also balances both opportunities and risks, and also it provides a well-rounded perspective. In addition, there are visuals which are used to support key findings, making the analysis reliable and actionable. Limitations. While generative AI offers significant benefits, it also has important limitations. Accuracy remains a concern, as AI systems can generate convincing but incorrect information. There are also issues related to bias and fairness due to the data used to train these models. Privacy and security risks may also arise from data exposure and misuse. In addition, over-reliance on AI systems can reduce human oversight and critical thinking. Finally, some findings in this analysis are based on projections and evolving data, which may change over time. These limitations highlight the need for responsible and cautious use of generative AI. In conclusion, generative AI is more than just a trend. It is a major transformation. This report has explored its growth, impact, and challenges across industries. While it offers significant opportunities, it also requires responsible and ethical use. Moving forward, businesses must innovate responsibly, consumers must stay informed, and policymakers must provide clear guidance. Together, we can shape the future of generative AI. Here are my references and citations which I used in the report. Thank you.